homemade vegetable soup. What's up, everyone? I hope you all are doing well. If you haven't made homemade vegetable soup, you have to try my recipe. This healthy plant-based soup is easy to make and under 45 minutes, including prep time. Let's look at the ingredients we will need to make this delicious healthy meal. Half of onion, 2 cloves of garlic, half of green pepper, 1 cup of green peas, fresh or frozen, 2 cups of green beans, fresh or frozen, 2 cups of corn, white or yellow, 2 Roma tomatoes, diced, 1 cup of diced carrots, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste or puree, 1 cup of celery, diced, 4 cups of vegetable stock or water, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Note, this will serve 4 to 5 people. In a large soup pot, pour in the vegetable stock or water, then add all of the vegetables to the pot along with all the seasonings. Now that all ingredients have been added, place the soup pot on medium heat and cover. Allow it to simmer for about 40 minutes. If you have a pressure cooker, it will take less time to cook. I'll leave the recipe on screen for a moment if you need to pause the video. When it's done cooking, that's it. Serve and enjoy with a baguette or crackers. For more recipes, life hacks, weight loss tips, and health suggestions for the price of an iced coffee, you can pick up my book, The Fountain of Youth Lifestyle, in ebook or paperback from Amazon and Apple Books. Also, the book makes an excellent gift for family and friends. Please like, share, follow, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care. LHLclub.com